In this video, we're going to see how to install a plugin from a third-party seller or marketplace. So if you recall the process for installing a premium WordPress theme, installing a premium plugin is almost identical. So I am going to go over to codecanyon.net, which is sort of the code and plugin counterpart of ThemeForest. It's the same company behind it. It's a very similar marketplace. It works exactly the same. And instead of themes, they sell scripts and plugins for websites. Now, if you want to check out Code Canyon, make sure you go to the WordPress section so you don't end up with a plugin for a different platform. You'll notice there are all of these categories. You can get advertising plugins, form plugins, e-commerce plugins, membership plugins. Whatever you're looking for, you can use these categories to find it. Alternatively, you could type something into this search box like social share, and then you could type WordPress, or you could select social share in WordPress to make sure that you get WordPress plugins specifically. Now I'm just going to go to WordPress and go to popular items, and you'll see it looks just like the ThemeForest interface. So we can scroll through, see what plugins we're interested in. Let's check out this WordPress booking plugin. WordPress booking plugin for appointment scheduling. So just like ThemeForest, you can do a live preview. You can scroll down and read the description, see some screenshots, and you can tell this is quite an advanced appointment booking plugin. That's the thing about premium plugins. They typically will be a bit more polished. They will have more functionality. And even though a lot of features are available through free plugins, a premium plugin can be a good investment if it's going to be like a core part of your business. So like this, if you're running a business that requires reliable and very polished appointment booking features, this might be a good investment. And of course, we have to check the reviews. We see that this plugin is rated 4.97 out of 263 reviews, which is solid. So I would scroll through and just make sure nothing jumps out at me as being problematic. And assuming I'm sold on the plugin and everything looks good, I can go ahead and add it to my cart and purchase it. Now, to show you the installation process, I'm just going to use a plugin that I've already purchased. So I'm in my download section here on Code Canyon, and I'm just going to go with this easy social share buttons for WordPress. I'm going to go download, and just like themes, we want to go with the installable WordPress file only. Makes the installation process a lot easier. So we've got a zip file here that just downloaded, and when I go back to my site, I can click Add New from the plugin section. And instead of browsing the directory, I'm going to click Upload Plugin. From here, I just drag in my zip file, click Install Now, and my plugin has been installed. That's all there is to it.